It's Monday, and I got to deliver some furniture today. What are you doing?
Admin.
And?
Social media.
And? You know, doing the draining grooves on those is always so stressful. I don't have the proper jig for it. So I had to do it in an improvised fashion. Thankfully, it's come out perfect. That was so stressful to do this. But it's perfect, absolutely perfect. I didn't buy the jig because look how dusty my lens is. I don't bother buying the jig because I do the job so infrequently, it just doesn't seem worth getting it. I don't know, maybe I should get one now. I just realised that I was saying that stuff's really stressful to cut, but I didn't explain why. I'm gonna tell you why. A piece of this material, in the size that I was just cutting, is about £500. All it takes is one little slip with this router, and this whole piece is ruined. That means spending £500 to get a new piece of the marble stuff. Wouldn't be ideal. So it takes me quite a while to cut it because I want to double, triple, quadruple check that everything is definitely measured right, everything is definitely secure, and then I'm totally relaxed when I make my cut. If I'm tense and stressed, you're going to make a mistake. If you're feeling confident and relaxed, there's a good chance that you're going to have no problems. And in my case, there was no problems this time. Just give yourself plenty of time. Don't be in a rush. Should be okay. One more. Thank you.
I did order some yarn, so that might be it.
Oh, the really, really heavy box is your yarn.
There's a lot of yarn. What are you packing?
What's fun about buying loads of stuff on Amazon is that you forget what you've purchased, so it's always exciting. Do you want to open these? Come on, I know you want to. You love opening stuff.
I wanted this. Sanding paper.
There is no way that I can lift all of this stuff on my own now that my assistant is no longer useful with the old broken foot. I have to call in some different reinforcements. Let me see those biceps. I want to see those.
Nothing there. Jelly.
That'll do. That's good enough. I can work with that.
Easy mode, isn't it?
Hey Maya, I'm just editing this video and I realized that you disappear like halfway through. Where were you?
Grandma's.
You went to Grandma's house. Okay. So after Joe and I dropped off that piece of furniture, you went to Grandma's house and we went to the pub.
Yeah.
That's what happened. I'd say that was a pretty successful lifting session, mate, wouldn't you?
All good.
It's in. It's not level. I'll have to figure that out later. Wobbly house, but it is there. It is there. I think that's time for the pub meal.
Sounds good to me.
All right, let's go. Thanks for helping, bud.
All good.
See you later. See you at Comedy Club for sure.
Yeah, mate.
It's like 2 weeks away.
See you on YouTube.
I can't show any of that funny clip of him waving goodbye because I'll reveal his front door. I don't want to dox my own friend.
Hi, buddy. You lie down.
You lie down? Lie down. Good boy. As much as I want to hang out, Finny bud, I think you're wanted elsewhere. I think you have to go to your bed. This is my bed. That's cozy though, isn't it?